I did it.
That's right. Good job, Zach. Shake it up. How much money's in there? Whoa. Wow. That's pretty awesome. Hey, don't do that. Okay, let's put the bank back up on your dresser.
No.
Big Yellow Station! How do we get to the Big Yellow Station?
Zachary, who sings Sweet Caroline?
Mountain.
Who sings it?
New York
Big Yellow
Dynamite.
Station.
That's right. Who sings Coming to America?
We have to have the little train go.
Who sings Coming to America?
Then we go through the tunnel, and that's how we'll get to the Big Yellow Station.
That's pretty cool, buddy.
Melissa, thanks for helping.
Wow. What are you going to do with those? You want me to open those?
The mountain.
Huh?
Do you see the
Look up at the camera. Say bye.
Bye.
Watch where you're walking.